How to add cookies or a cookie consent banner on Wix. So right here, I'm inside the Wix website editor, and we want to click on settings here, and you should be able to see this privacy and cookies. So we just want to click on this button right here, and it will automatically take us to the cookies consent form. So it's going to look like this: display a cookie consent banner. So we want to click on get started, and here's where we set this up. First, you have to enable it, and then we can choose the banner cover theme. So we can do light, we can do dark, or we can customize it. I will leave it as dark because I think it looks better. And then here we have a consent button text, so we can do accept, or we can do I'm in for an example. And as an example, and you can see it automatically changes it. And we can also do settings if they want to disagree or personalize their cookie consent form, and the privacy policy link text here. So we can also we can also add a decline all button, and we can add cookies widget, settings widget to all pages here, so they have to agree on all different pages. I will disable this. And we can also customize the text which our visitors will be met with. So we use cookies on our website to see how you interact with it. By accepting, you agree to use our use of such cookies. You can personalize this text, or we can just restore it to the default if you don't want to edit it. And here we can do which page it will be displayed on. We can choose specific pages or external web addresses. And basically, you want to click on here to I've read and understood the above. And basically, after you have set this up, we will simply click on save and publish, and this will add a cookie consent banner on our Wix website. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.